Hello student, in this video we are going to discuss fraction chapter 7 exercise 7.6 and we have already discussed exercise 7.5 in our last video. So let's start a video. So exercise 7.6 question number 1. Here it is given 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7. We have to solve it. As we can see both the denominator are different, so we have to find the LCM of 3 and 7. And after finding out we got the LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. So 21 we are putting here, that means 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7. When 21 is the LCM, that means how we have to do? We have to first of all divide 21 by 3. That means 3 sevens are 21. So in the numerator we will multiply that 7 with 2. Plus sign is there. Again 21 divided by 7 will be 3. So 3 into 1. That means 14 plus 3 by 21. So 14 and 3. After adding we are getting 17. So our answer is 17 by 21. So now B, 1B, 3 by 10 plus 7 by 15. After finding out the LCM we got 30. Okay, so 30 divided by 10. That means the fraction 3 by 10 is there once and 7 by 15 is there. So 30 divided by this 10 is 3. So 3 into 3 we will put here. 30 divided by 15 is 2. So 2 into 7 we will put. So 3 into 3 is 9. 2 into 7 is 14. So our answer will be 23 by 30. Same way 4 by 9 plus 2 by 7. We have to find out the LCM of 9 and 7. We got 63. So 63 divided by 9 is 7. So 4 into 7 here. And 63 divided by 7 is 9. So 9 into 2 here. So 7 4 is 28. 2 9 is 18. So 28 plus 18 is equal to 46. So 46 by 63. Again now D, 5 by 7 plus 1 by 3. 7 and 3 if you find the LCM we are getting 21. So this 21 divided by 7 is 3. So 3 into 5, 21 divided by 3 is 7. So 7 into 1. So 5 into 3 is 15. 7 into 1 is 7. So 15 plus 7 is equal to 22. So 22 by 21. Since it is in the improper fraction, we are converting it into mixed fraction. Okay. Then rest are all proper fraction, so we are not converting. Now that E, 2 by 5 plus 1 by 6. Again here LCM is 30. So 30 divided by 5 is what? 6. So 6 into 2. 30 divided by 6 is 5. So 5 into 1. 2 into 6 is 12. And 5 into 1 is 5. So 12 plus 5, 17. So 17 by 30. Then 4 by 5 plus 2 by 3 is there. So LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 into 4. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So 5 into 2. So 4 into 3 is 12. 5 into 2 is 10. So 12 plus 10, 22 by 17. Since in proper fraction, we are converting it into mixed fraction. Then 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Here LCM of 4 and 3. We are getting 12. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 3 into 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So 4 into 1. Since subtraction sign is there in between, we are putting the minus sign. So 3 into 3, 9. And 4 into 1, 4. So 9 minus 4, we are getting 5. So 5 by 12. So last one, 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3. Since the LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. So 5 into 1. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 2 into 1. Since subtraction sign is there in between, so we put the minus sign. 5 into 1, 5. 2 into 1, 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So 3 by 6, we can convert it to lowest term. So half is the answer. Hope so you have understood this question number 1 well. Let's move to question number 2 now. So question number 2 given, Sarika bought 2 by 5 meter of ribbon and Lalita bought 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. What is the total length? That means Sarika and Lalita both they have brought ribbon and we have to find out the total length of the ribbon they brought. So one by one in given portion we have written that, and after that we have to add it obviously because total is asked. So 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. Since denominator is different, we have to find the LCM. So we found out 5 and 4 LCM will be 20. So 20 divided by 5 will be what? 4. So 4 into 2. 20 divided by 4 will be what? 5. So 5 into 3. So 2 into 4 is 8. 5 into 3 is 15. So 15 plus 8 will be 23. 23 by 20. Since improper fraction, we are converting it into mixed fraction. So they bought one 3 by 20 meter of ribbon together. Now let's move to question number 3. Now question number 3. Nena was given 1.5 piece of cake and Nazma was given 1/3 piece of cake. Find the total amount of cake given to both of them. Obviously total is asked, so we have to add it. Since 1.5 is given, 1/2 is given, so 1/2 will be what? 2. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1, so it will be 3 by 2. And 1/3, so it will be what? 3 here. 3 ones are 3 plus 1, so 4 by 3. 3 by 2 and 4 by 3 are the fraction. We have to add it. So 2 and 3, the LCM we are getting 6. So after finding the LCMs, 6 divided by 2 will be 3. So 3 into 3 here. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 2 into 4. So 3 into 3 is 9. 4 into 2 is 8. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 by 6 in improper fraction. We are converting it into mixed fraction. The total consumption of cake is 2. 5 by 6. Let's move to question number 4 now. Now we will start question number 5. Complete the addition subtraction table. As per the instruction given, we have to add and subtract. So 2 by 3 is a fraction. It is given that 2 by 3 and 4 by 3 we have to right side it is shown add. So we have to add this, so we are getting 6 by 3. And this 1 by 3 and 2 by 3 also we are adding, so we got 3 by 3. Now we have to subtract this 2. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, we are getting 1 by 3. 4 by 3 and 2 by 3 we are subtracting, we are getting 2 by 3. And here we got 6 by 3 and 3 by 3, we are subtracting, we are getting 3 by 3. Now 5b. Same way half is there. Yes, half plus 1 by 3. So we are getting 5 by 6. Okay, after finding the LCM we did the process. And then 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 we are after finding the LCM, since same they are not having the same denominator, we are finding the LCM and did the process. We got 7 by 12 and these two we have to subtract it. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 we are getting 1 by 6. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 we are getting 1 by 12. So these two 1 by 6 and 1 by 12 we are adding, we are getting 3 by 12. Okay, hope so you have understood well this question number 5. Let's move to question number 6 now. So question number 6 now. A piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long broke into 2 pieces. One piece was 1 by 4 meter. How long is the other piece? We have to find the leftover piece. So 7 by 8 is the total means piece meter measurement of piece. So we have to subtract from 7 by 8. So 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4. We have find the LCM and we got 8. So 8 divided by 8 will be 1. So 7 into 1. 8 divided by 4 will be 2. So 2 into 1. Since we are subtracting, so subtraction sign in between. 7 into 1 is 7. 2 into 1 is 2. So 7 minus 2 we are getting 5. So 5 by 8 meter is the measurement of the other piece. Okay, now let's move to question number 7. So question number 7 given. Nandini's house is 9 by 10 kilometer from her school. She walked some distances and then took a bus for 1.5 means half kilometer to reach the school. How far did she walk? Okay, she covered 9 by 10 kilometer from her school by walking some distance, and then she took half kilometer by that bus. Okay, so we have to subtract it, since total distance is 9 by 10. She took by bus is half. We have to find out her walking distances. So we have to subtract 9 by 10 minus 1 by 2. 10 and 2 we have find the LCM. We got 10. Yes, we got 10 here, and then 10 divided by 10 will be 1. So 9 into 1 here. 10 divided by 2 will be 5. So 5 into 1 here. 9 into 1 is 9. 1 into 5 is 5. So 9 minus 5, 4. So 4 by 10 we are getting, after converting to simplest form. 2 into 2 is 4. That is why 2 we are writing. 2 into 5 is 10. So 5 here writing. 2 by 5 kilometer is the distance she covered by walking. Hope so you have understood well this question number 7 also. Now let's move to question number 8. So question number 8. Asa and Samuel have bookshelves of the same size partly filled with books. Asa's shelf is 5 by 6 full and Samuel's shelf is 2 by 5 full. Whose bookshelf is more full by what fraction? So 5 by 6 and 2 by 5, we have to find out which is the bigger fraction here. For that purpose, so 5 by 6 is there, sorry. So 5 by 6 and 2 by 5. We have to find out the bigger fraction. We have to multiply this denominator with this fraction 5 here to get the same denominator. Okay, so 25 by 30 we are getting, and with 2 by 5 also we have to multiply this denominator, that is 6. So above also, so we are getting 12 by 30. That means we are getting 25 by 30 and 12 by 30. Since 25 by 30 is bigger than 12 by 30, that means 25 by 30 is the which fraction? 5 by 6. So 5 by 6, that means Asa's bookshelf is covered more than Samuel. And what is the difference? By what fraction means they are more or less? Okay, so we have to subtract it. 25 by 30 minus 12 by 30. Since same denominator, we are directly putting 25 minus 12 is 13. So 13 by 30 is the correct answer. Hope so you have understood well this exercise 7.6 also. This is the end of chapter fraction. So thank you and have a nice day.